Hi ma'am, my name is Zefred C. Anonsawon and welcome to this video on sorting techniques. Today we'll explore 20 different algorithms for arranging data in ascending or descending order. Number 1. Bubble sort. Bubble sort works by repeatedly iterating through the data, comparing adjacent elements, and swapping them if they're in the wrong order. This process continues until no more swaps are needed.
Here's the example of bubble sort.
Number 2, selection sort. Selection sort selects the smallest or largest element from the unsorted portion of the data and moves it to the beginning or end of the sorted portion. This process repeats until the data is fully sorted.
Here's the example of selection sort.
Number 3, insertion sort. Insertion sort iterates through the data one element at the time, inserting each element into each correct position within the sorted portion.
Here's the example of insertion sort.
Number 4, merge sort. Merge sort divides the data into smaller chunks, sorts each chunk recursively.
Here's the example of merge sort.
Number 5, quicksort selects a pivot element, partitions the data around it, and recursively sorts the sub-arrays on either sides of the pivot.
Here's the example of quicksort.
Number 6, heap sort. Heap sort builds a max heap from the data, removes the largest elements, and repeats the process until the data is sorted.
Here's the example of heap sort.
Number 7, radix sort. Radix sorts integers by processing individual digits for radix, from least significant to most significant.
Here's the example of radix sort.
Number 8, counting sort. Counting sort works by counting the occurrences of each unique element in the data and using this count to construct the sorted array.
Here's the example of counting sort.
Number 9, bucket sort. Bucket sort distributes elements into buckets based on their values and then sorts each bucket individually.
Here's the example of bucket sort.
Number 10, shield sort. Shield sort is an optimized version of insertion sort that use a gap or shield to compare elements far apart.
Here's the example of shield sort.
Number 11, team sort. Team sort combines elements of merge sort and insertion sort for efficient sorting.
Here's the example of team sort.
Number 12, cocktail shaker sort. Cocktail shaker sort is a bidirectional bubble sort that alternates direction with each pass.
Here's the example of cocktail shaker sort.
Number 13, pigeonhole sort. Pigeonhole sort use a temporary array, pigeonhole to sort elements based on their values.
Here's the example of pigeonhole sort.
Number 14. Cycle sort. Cycle sort iterates the data, finding the correct position for each element and rotating the elements to put them in place.
Here's the example of cycle sort.
Number 15. Comb sort. Comb sort is an improved bubble sort that eliminates turtles' small values near the end using a gap.
Here's the example of comb sort.
Number 16. Stooge sort. Stooge sort recursively sorts the data by dividing into 3 parts and applying the algorithm to each part.
Here's the example of stooge sort.
Number 17. Genome sort. Genome sort compares adjacent elements, swapping them if necessary, and moves the comparison point forward.
Here's the example of genome sort.
Number 18. Botonic sort. Botonic sort builds a botonic sequence partially sorted and then recursively sorts it.
Here's the example of botonic sort.
Number 19. Tournament sort. Tournament sort uses a tree-like structure to compare elements and determine the smallest or largest.
Here's the example of tournament sort.
Number 20. Bogus sort. Bogus sort randomly shuffles the data until it's sorted, making it highly inefficient.
Here's the example of bogus sort.